gift center. Cheapest one, triple panel lights, 40 piece and a 6 piece. You got the 27 in 1 cents. All right, here's the 90 piece pack out. All right, we got the Milwaukee Black Friday 2024 holiday season at the Home Depot. Yes, we're going to be covering up pretty much everything that's Milwaukee related on this video. That's going to be either holiday deals, Black Friday, all sorts of stuff. I will be making a video for each brand. So be sure to stay tuned, stay subscribed, hit the like, hit the bell icon, and also follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday holiday deals. All right, let's go ahead and start. Let's start here with the buy one, get one free. All right, on this section, we do have a dual bay rapid charger, $79. That's actually not bad. $249 for an 18 gauge brand nailer. $329 for a 30-inch framing nailer. You got $99 for a 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries. 21 degree for $329. $499 for 4 batteries with the 6-bay charger. I believe that is a pack out charger. We'll look at it right now. All right, good. We got the first section of the buy one get one free. So you buy any of these on the top, you get a free tool. The first one's a 2 5s. Yes, we do got the 5 back. And on the right side, we got the newer compact hammer drill and impact driver combo. 2 batteries, a charger, and a case for $299. That will also get you a free tool. We'll go over in the free tools in just a second. The next one down is the higher end, which is $399 2 combo kit. You guys know these are new Gen 4 impact driver and hammer drill. Those are the top of the line from the Milwaukee. All right, the free tools that do qualify for this, you got the circular saw oscillating tool, the 5 amp hour battery. I'm reading from left to right. You got the job site radio, reciprocating saw, D-handle SDS rotary. You got the fuel surge impact driver, the 4.5 no lock paddle switch angle grinder. Yes, that is the brand new multi-directional task light. If you guys are looking for something new, that is the one to get with your hack or with your deal. All right, and then you got the blower. Obviously, the inflator is an excellent buy. I do have that personally. The router and the jigsaw. But check this out. This is the cheapest one for $99 and will get you a free tool. And you guys are able to hack it. You guys didn't hear that from me, right? All right, so you got the subcompact or the compact for $299, and then you got the higher tier here for $399. We'll definitely get you one free tool. And one thing to keep in fact, last year we did get 2 free tools with the top tier. So keep that in mind. But still pretty good deals for what we got now, especially for that $199, the cheaper one. Get a free tool. All right. Here down at the bottom, you do got some of the free tools. You got the rotary hammer. You got the radio, the blower, circular saw, and then the inflator there at the bottom. So those are basically all the tools that do qualify for the free promotion. On this one, you got the jigsaw. So yeah, it's hard to see, but it is $199 for that one. This is the brand new or the newest triple panel lights, valued at $179. I heard that it's a little heavy, so keep that in mind. It is 450 lumen. You got the framing nailer, the other framing nailer. You got the 21 and the 30 degree framing nailers. Reciprocating saw valued at $199. Obviously, you can choose that one for free as well. The router, and then you got the 4-pack of batteries, which are 2 6 amp hour batteries and 2 5s with that pack out 6-port or 6-bay charger. So definitely check it out. You got a lot of great value on this thing, especially if you counter up those count those batteries. Pretty good deal. All right, so on this one you got the angle grinder. That's another one that's available, and obviously you got the inflator there. But definitely check it out. There's a lot of tools that are not here yet. There's still a lot of empties. And here's another section on the back of the gift center, but this is going to be this is just going to be for the Milwaukee. All right, so 1997, you got the 27 in 1. Yes, it's back from last year. You got the 2-pack of folding hex key 9-piece and 8-piece metric SAE. And then you got the 2-pack of magnetic 25-footer tape measures, which is pretty nice. We'll show you guys that in a second. 2-pack of 7-inch rafter squares. They're both 7-inch. Last year we did get a 4-inch and a 7. Got a 3-pack of compact fastbacks utility knives and groove joint pliers there. All right, so this is the 2-pack. Last year we did get a 4 and a 7. On this one, however, something different. We did get the one that holds the blades inside. So we did, I believe we did get 2 of them. Now we do have 3, so still pretty decent, pretty good deal. Not decent, it's actually a pretty dang good deal. You got a 25-foot tape measure here, a pack of 2. Obviously for the same price, it is labeled on both sides. It is a really, really nice feature to have. And as you guys do see at the bottom, we do have a nice place for you guys to hold the blades. And then it is magnetic, by the way, so pretty nice. And then on this one, you got the 27-in-1 most versatile, as we did get last year, and it does hold the bits inside, as you guys do see right there on the handle. And then we got the 8-key and the 9-key hex key set for that for the Black Friday deals. Standard and metric on these, so pretty dang good deals on these. You got the comfort grip straight jaw pliers. There's a 6 and a 10-inch for these, actually pretty small, and a nice larger one, so that's nice. And then this is the 4-piece mini hook set. This is something new that we didn't see last year. At least I didn't see it. The pick hook set is actually for for smaller stuff, not necessarily for bigger stuff, or mechanics. It's going to be for more electronics and smaller stuff. All right, here's some safety glasses. For the picks, $14.97, $24.97 for the sockets, $49.97 for the combination wrenches, and then $99 for the mechanics tool set socket sets. All right, let's look at the details here of the items that they do have here. Check this out. These are brand new. Actually never seen these before at the gift center for the Black Friday and the holiday season. But if you guys check out the details on these do have anti-slip ends on the open ends, kind of like the snap-ons and all those. So that is a plus on these. So definitely check it out. So if you're thinking about one of these, this is the one to get, because it does have those grooves there, anti-slip material. And they are labeled in red. You got SAE and metric as well for those. And then you got the square sockets. These are the metric and SAE as well. These are the 10-piece. And if you guys do see, they are labeled differently. One is red and one is black on the organizer, and they're both square, pretty much a square socket. And what you could do with these sockets is actually puts a wrench, not necessarily just a ratchet, but you can put a wrench on the other end and get some extra leverage on that side. All right, let's talk about the socket sets. These are $99 a piece. You got a 56 and a 25-piece. Quarter-inch and a 3/8. So this is a metric and SAE. This is the 25-piece. You guys do see you got the same sort of sockets in there, and then you do got an extension and a ratchet. And this is the quarter-inch, by the way. All right, so $19.97 for the hard hats, either yellow or the white. Got $59.97 for the red lithium 600 lumen hard hat light. That's it right there. Pretty nice. 600 lumens, a lot for the small light like this. It does come with a nice charger and, obviously a clip there for the hard hat. $24.97 for the smooth jaw grip pliers or the adjustable wrenches. So definitely check these out. These are actually pretty nice. It does have some nice rubber handles. These are bigger than the other ones we just saw. These are 10 and 12-inch. So they're much bigger. And then you got $39.97 for the 3-piece close-out quarters cupping tubing cutters. So you got 1 inch, 3/4, and a 1/2 inch on these. These are low profile, so you guys can stick those pretty much anywhere. $2.99 for the top handle chainsaw. $24 for the safety glasses. So that is the chainsaw right there. It is a top handle. Tool only. It does not come with battery and charger. You got $1.99 for the M12 5-tool combo kit, and you got a 2-tool combo kit here with 2 batteries, a charger in the bag right there on the right. We'll look at those closely in a second. $24.88 for the 5-piece oscillating 13-piece sawzall blades. All right, let's start here with the blades. This is the wood and multi-material oscillating blades. So you got different types of materials. You got a 5-tool combo kit here. You got a drill, impact driver, one-handed reciprocating saw, a ratchet, and a light on this one. This was a 5-tool combo kit. And then this one's you got the ratchet and the impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. It seems like that's what you got, 2 amp hour batteries. These are really nice. These are field tools. The other ones are not. Just keep that in mind. $24.88 for these. All right, we got some reciprocating saw blades with a nice case. You got a torch, a medium metal torch axe, made in the USA, in thin metal, medium metal, and obviously thicker metal. And like I said, a nice pruning blade as well. So $74.88 for the Shockwave Impact Duty 60-piece set. It does include it in a pack out. This is it's on the other side, by the way. This is a metal, a 15-piece red helix. It is compatible with the pack out, of course. All right, so this is the pack out. It does include some sockets. Really nice that they included some sockets on this pack out set. They are 1/4 inch 5/16, 1/2 inch and 9/16. Those are the ones that I was able to see. I can't figure out what the other ones are, but these are pretty nice labeled. And then you got some drill bits here compatible with your impact driver. You got some hex bits. Looks like a magnetic sleeve, and a total of 60 pieces. So pretty nice. 14-piece, 40-piece, and a 6-piece. All right, so $74.88 for that one. We got $19.97 for those red helix drill bits that we saw. $49.98 for the 90-piece bit sets. Now this one's a little different. $14.97 for the impact duty 25-piece bit sets. All right, this is the bit set, the 25 piece. It does include some Robertsons on the top, Phillips, 1-inch bits. Looks like a nut driver, some 2-inch Phillips and Robertsons. All right, here's the 90-piece pack out, 2-inch bits, a whole bunch of 2-inch bits actually. Some 1-inch bits, and then you do got some hex. It looks like some more hex there and Robertsons. All right, on this one you do got $179 for the compact brushless 2-tool combo kit. These are the newer compact. If you want just the impact driver, this is it right here, the impact driver kit, or the drill driver for $99 a piece. If you want to save some money, you might as well buy both of the tools. Power supply for $99. Yes, unfortunately, we did not get the one with the battery at the bottom, but we do got the power supplies there. That is the drill by itself and impact driver by itself. Those are both kits. And then you got impact driver and drill driver. Those are all the details there. 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and a nice bag. All right, so $19.88 for the impact duty 74-piece bit driver set. It's actually a pretty nice bit. It's actually really big. Well, it's bigger than what you usually see. You got some 1-inch bits, Robertsons, 2-inch bits, sleeve there, and some more 2-inch bits, Robertsons and Phillips. Some 1-inch Robertsons and nut drivers, and some more 1-inch on the right. $179 for the 2-tool combo kit, and then $99 your choice on these, either the battery 5 amp hour battery or the $79 for the 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries. Definitely check it out. That's a good value on here. You got a 5 amp hour battery. This is the newer high output battery, valued at $99. Here's a 2-pack of 3s for $79. And then you got the impact driver or drill driver there at the bottom, or a 2-tool combo kit, which is the better buy. All right, $29.97 for the 23-piece titanium drill bit sets. That's it right there. Pretty nice. You guys know these bits are solid and they're compatible with your pack out. $79 your choice of any of these. Right angle drill, the rotary tool, the one-handed reciprocating saw, and then you got the soldering iron here, oscillating multi-tool. Remember, guys, these are not fuel tools. You got the rubber light, which I think is one of the best buys on this side. Got the right angle drill there, the rotary tool, the oscillating tool, the one-handed reciprocating saw there at the left at the bottom, and then you got the rubber light here. So definitely the rubber light, that's the one that I would get on this deal. And then you got the soldering iron. Obviously, if you do a lot of smaller electronics, this is the one you should get. All right, so $99, your choice here on this one. This was the 3/8 ratchet, the radial, the compact cutoff tool, or the crown stapler. As a matter of fact, I was just using that compact crown stapler last night. I was putting up some wire, and yes, you are able to put some wire. Not necessarily the safest, but you are able to do it with this one. I've used it for insulation as well, so lots of good uses on that one. You got the 3-inch cutoff tool. You got the radial, and then there on the right you got the stapler. So pretty nice deal on the stapler, especially because I really like it. Really nice. You got the ratchet there. This is not the fuel. It's just a 3/8 ratchet. Still pretty nice. All right, so $99 a piece. You got the these. Remember, guys, these are not fuel. Angle grinder, roller lights. This is what everybody wants. The heat gun. Yes, they do make a heat gun. Saw, sander, one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the floodlight, rubber floodlights, and a 2-pack of batteries for $79 a piece. So definitely check it out. It's actually a 2-pack of 3 amp-hour batteries. I'll show you guys that in a second. This is the heat gun. This is one of the newer ones. So pretty nice heat guns. You don't have to go to Joby or any other brand. You got the light. This is the rubber lights, the sander, the reciprocating saw there on the right, the one-handed reciprocating saw there at the bottom. And then you got the 2-pack of 3 amp-hour batteries. So still pretty decent for the price. All right, so $149 for the 7 1/4 circular saw, or $99 for the multi-tool kit. Does come with battery and charger as well. And that is a circular saw there on the left. All right, we got the impact wrench. Yes, this is the 1/2 inch impact wrench with friction ring, 3/8 ratchet kit. $299 for that. So it does include the impact wrench, of course, the ratchet, the battery for each tool, and then the charger and the bag. So pretty nice. It's a non-inclusive kit. It's a great for you mechanics out there, or somebody that is going to gift a gift for a mechanic or DIY. So $99 a piece. Then you got impact duty sockets, 43 piece, and a 19-piece SAE point impact duty sockets, 1/2 inch drive. All right, let's look at the sockets. This is the 19-piece. This is the 1/2 inch drive. I will personally buy both of them because you can't have enough sockets if you don't have them. I have tons of them. But yeah, this is a really nice case. It does come with lots of adapters, impact driver adapter, 43-piece SAE and metric 3/8 impact rated sockets. And guys, make sure you guys stay tuned because I will be having some more videos, some more Black Friday videos, holiday deals for each of the brands, and I will be covering the gift center, of course. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit the like, hit the bell icon. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more Black Friday deals. I will be posting some more videos, different videos on there. So definitely check it out, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.